Hi, and welcome back to Outer Wilds, in which I believe it is time for us to visit a quantum moon. We have learned the entanglement lesson, we have learned the imaging lesson, and we've learned the location of the sixth location. So, let's use them. First off, oh, that's a good spot. Oh, let's get a picture. Nope. 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 Lock in. Come on, where's come on. Oh, hold on. Dang it. Stop. Get off of my trees. So if you don't remember, the quantum moon takes on the characteristics of the body that it is in orbit of. So they're all fun, but Dark Bramble is not as fun. At least me personally. So Giant Steep was a cool one, and maybe it'll come back there. Where are you? Oh, it's on Giant Steep now. Fantastic. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. Oh, lock in. Ah! Does that count? Does that count as seeing it? I can kind of see the edge of it. It counts. You're still there, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Hold still. Okay, let's really get a picture of this thing. Close enough. Thought I could do snapshot mode. Well, since we're looking at the quantum moon, that means it cannot jump away as we somehow lose sight of it as we go into its atmosphere. So fair enough. We'll play by its rules. Looking at it. Looking at it. Oh, jeez. Hello. Okay. Everybody good? Alright. We're good. Quantum moon. Signal identified. With its weird, giant, steepish echo. Makes you feel like a giant, like just walking through the little puddle ocean. Cool. Oh, and what's this? We gotta get to the North Pole. Oh, we can't get to the North Pole. That's the secret of the sixth location. Hey, tree. Hey, ship. Aw. Hey. Quantum Solemnum. Aw. So is the shrine not accessible? I don't remember. Like, we might have to go to a different planet for this. Oh, there's the shuttle. Oh, out in the middle of the ocean. Freaky. Let's go check it out here. Solemnum says, I'm here. After watching it wander the skies for so long, I'm about to stand for the first time on the quantum moon. As expected, my shuttle has landed at the moon's south pole. I will make the remainder of my journey on foot. We don't know why the quantum moon always welcomes its visitors at the South Pole, just that this is true. As a child, I considered such unknowns sinister. Now, though, I understand they bear no ill will. The universe is, and we are. That last line is a great one. I am ready. Do it. So, oh, well, I accidentally almost launched the shuttle. Oh, did I launch the shuttle? Okay. Whew. All right. Thank you. Hey, there it is. Quantum Shrine. Like Solemnum, we are ready. Door shut, please. We're in orbit of Dark Bramble now. Brittle Hollow, Timber Hearth, Bramble, the Eye. So we're not at the, oh, that's right, we have to be in the moon's location has to be in the North Pole. Right. So here we're in orbit of the Eye. So the quantum moon is taking on the Eye's characteristics. It's as close as the Nomai got to finding the Eye. All right, we'll go back to you, I guess. Nope. Wait. Oh, yep, we will. All right, so we got to get this thing to the North Pole. So we couldn't do that with... Oh, no. Yeah. I forgot about that. The escape velocity is so easy on the quantum moon. Okay, lock in. Ow. Okay, a little hard landing. Not the Feldspar-ish descent from orbit. Bet Feldspar would have lived. Okay. I forgot about some of those aspects of the quantum moon. We will get it. Gotta get the shrine to the North Pole. Make Santa Claus out of it. Where's my flashlight? Is it like on me? Maybe it's a headlamp. That'd be so cool. Bet it is. Take my picture. On? Ah, can't tell. Fine. Let me do something. Bam. Nope. Bam. Nope. Bam. Ah, close enough. Okay. You wait there. $6 meters? Is it really 6 meters? Spaceship doesn't seem that big. Okay. Perfect. Now, where is the quantum moon? It's kind of cool to have a camera up there. What's that? Oh, it's just Giant's Deep. Kind of like a little fixed point camera on my ship. Oh, there's one of them. Hello. Come here, you sneaky moon. I gotta remember to take a really slow velocity in. Let's not burn the sun. Hello. Oof. All right. Right. So when we land, we'll be at the South Pole. We got to get to the North Pole and then make this weird shadow. And make the shrine appear there. I think I remember having to go back and forth between the different types of planet. Or the different orbiting bodies. Slowly now. Okay. Whoa. Oh, cactus. Oh, freaky. Oh, no, get back here. That's cool. And eerie. Oh, it's gone. Oh, there it is again. Okay, to the North Pole we go. After we look at this neat thing. Oh, so weird. Hello, Quantum Shrine. Oh, that's right. I think here there's this might block our whole path. But we'll just switch to a different planet. It's all good. Ah. Yeah. Okay. So we need to get that exactly. I needed you. Mere Quantum Shrine. Okay, let's go to another planet, please. We'll check it. Dark Rim. Okay, so we're trying to go north. Yep. There we go. More north, more north. I wonder if there's an anglerfish anywhere. Hello. Hello again. I think we're going to be blocked here. So if the Quantum Moon is echoing Dark Bramble's Dark Brambleness, then it's even before the Nomai got here that Dark Bramble was seeded. We're really close. Is there any way? No, I think we cannot quite get through to the pole from here. You have to do another planet jump. Okay, that's a loop. Let's find the shrine. That is the shuttle. Oh, goodness gracious. A very sneaky building. Door? Yeah. Oh, whoa, you're already open. Ah, dang. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, did you just give me the finger? I'm sorry. Alright, what planet will get us further? Not Giant's Deep, that has the big storm, so Brittle Hollow maybe? Timber Hearth? We'll check it. Oh. There we go. North Pole achieved. Now we just need... Oh, it's the geysers. Right. Now we just need the, shrine. Come on, shrine. Hello. Okay. Now let's go to the eye. At least let's get in orbit of the eye. Actually, we're inside the storm now. What's that look like? Cool. Alright. Seen it. Thank you for that. There we go. Let's go say hi to everybody's favorite Quantum Nomai. So, is this the real shape of the quantum moon? Or is it just around the eye so it takes on these characteristics? Does that even have a normal shape of its own? Cool. Hey, hey. Hi. Where are we? Symbols, yes. Honestly, clever approach for conversation, Solomon. Can you give me the things for them? Don't I put them somewhere and you talk to me? Yeah, exactly. Identify you. Type it on your little keyboard. I am Solemnum, a Nomai. My clan arrived in this star system before my birth, and we now call it home. Okay, we'll keep identify. Identify. Aye, sure. We are orbiting the eye of the universe now, although we cannot see it, only the quantum moon's reflection of it. The eye is older than the universe itself, and my clan believes it dwells in an extremely distant orbit around this star system. Yes, yes it does. How about the quantum moon? What the heck is this? Ah, you pulled in the words. This is the quantum moon where we both are standing. Despite also orbiting other celestial bodies, the quantum moon is the eye of the universe's moon. Me. Hey, do you know me? Yeah, that's so cool. I've never met one of your kind before. It is an honor to speak with you. I particularly admire your 4 eyes. How can you see them? Can you see through my helmet? There are many questions I would ask, if I could comprehend your language. You have my gratitude for understanding mine. Alright. Let's do... we'll keep that there. Take that. You and me. We're both explorers of the quantum moon. We do not have much connection, you and I. Still, this encounter feels special. I hope you won't mind if I think of you as a friend. That's nice. Me? Suppose you could reach the eye of the universe. Would you try to enter it? What do you imagine the effects of a conscious observer might be? It would resolve all the possibilities of the eye into one. Is this your first time on the quantum moon? It's my first time here. If you've come here looking for answers, I hope you find them. I did identify me already. Explain me. I imagine your purpose here is the same as mine, to learn about and find the eye of the universe. I'm unsure how you arrived here, however. Perhaps you came from another star system, as my clan originally did? I wish I could tell you. I am on my first pilgrimage to the quantum moon. All Nomai in my clan make this journey when we come of age. Even though the eye cannot be reached from here, the quantum moon remains special to us, as it carries us nearer to the eye than any other place we know. I've journeyed here to be close to the eye. While the eye is obscured from our sight, we can see the quantum moon's reflection of the eye in the sky above us. So we can't just jump. It's very easy to leave the orbit of this moon by jumping. Explain the eye. Yeah. There is a fundamental uncertainty throughout the universe. Normally, this uncertainty is only observable on a very small scale. As one approaches the eye, however, that uncertainty grows enormously. The quantum moon probably exhibits macroscopic quantum behavior because of its proximity to the eye. Shards that broke off from the quantum moon have a similar effect, as I imagine you've seen elsewhere in this star system. Hey, I thought you thought that I came maybe from a different star system. Huh? Conscious observation forces a quantum object to collapse to a single possibility. But what would happen if a conscious observer somehow entered the eye itself? Over time, this has become my clan's greatest question. Yeah. Explain the quantum moon right now, even though you just kind of did. Have you encountered a quantum shard on another planet? The shards look the same as the quantum moon's surface does now, while at the eye. From this, we can reasonably infer the quantum moon's natural state is as we see it now, and that the eye is its primary location. Given the quantum moon is the eye's moon, it is likely that any characteristics the moon exhibits are also exhibited by the eye itself. The quantum moon and its shards, for instance, are quantum, thus the eye is likely also quantum. In fact, this moon is probably quantum because its proximity to the eye made it quantum, the same way that the areas surrounding quantum shards that landed on other planets eventually become quantum too. That is a very fair assessment. Did you explain me already? You explained yourself, I think. Explain yourself. Your first program. Yeah. I remember. No, explain how you're talking to me. These are the two tenets of Nomai philosophy. To seek out and to understand is our way of living. Oh, these are explain and identify. Nice. How about I and you? Many in my clan have believed the eye called us for a particular purpose. When I was a child, I used to believe the eye was malevolent, to have lured my clan to this star system only to then vanish from them so completely. But I don't fear the eye anymore. In fact, it's become my fondest hope to see the eye itself someday. But I fear this may be beyond my reach. You may think I'm strange, but I have a hypothesis that I may not be entirely alive. Perhaps my journey has reached its end. Yeah. I imagine you've noticed the quantum moon changes in appearance during which location it is currently orbiting. For instance, the moon looks quite different when orbiting Giant Steep than it does when orbiting the Hourglass Twins. Because the quantum moon clearly changes in its different forms, the eye, being this moon's primary location, must be similarly malleable. From this, we can hypothesize that the eye represents extreme changeability, or possibility. That said, despite its malleable nature, the quantum moon becomes locked to one specific version of itself when it is consciously observed. But what would happen if a conscious observer were to enter the eye? That is very cool. What would happen? Let's see. Did I do you in the eye of the universe? Yeah, you used to think it's benevolent. Quantum moon and me. Oh, yeah. Sorry to make you repeat yourself. I think we have seen all these things. I don't think there's a combination I haven't done yet. You in the eye, me in the eye. Quantum moon, me and the quantum moon, you and me. Identify the eye, I believe we did all the identifies first. think we've done all of it. So, I wish there was a way we could say bye. So, bye. I'm going to keep observing the moon, and I'm going to jump into orbit now. So, bye. What the heck? What just happened? I was in orbit of the quantum moon, and it just spit me back out? And now Solinup's gone? Oh. Hey, did you see that? Was that cool? Oh. Did you get scared, buddy? Okay, then. I guess that doesn't work. I think I've said everything. Or if there's anything you want me to ask, you can put the stones down. Like if you've got something to say. Or you can just say it. It doesn't have to be a one-way like you can I know I can try to gesture or something. I'm sure you're smart enough to pick up on gestures. We could work out a Morse code, a mathematical. I know. I asked my questions. Is there something you want me to ask? Whoop! Check that out. Oh, look at my jump. Can you do that? How high can you jump? That's it? No jumpies? Well, Solemnum, you're a cool Nomai. Very wise. The universe is, and we are. I totally pick up what you're saying. And I wish there was a way to say goodbye, but I don't know if that's how it works. Hello. I'm ready to go back. I think we landed on the Hourglass Twins. Although, with the storm, or the, all the impedances in the way of going south, we have to work our way back. Find ourselves a shrine that's not quite at the North Pole now. Don't you put me in the orbit. Got my eye on you. That's the North Pole. Jeez. Hey! Get on the surface. You let me keep seeing this moon. Alright, there you are, shuttle. That means the shrine could appear there now, right? Whoop, or here. Okay, gosh. Wait. If I leave it here, it's going to stay here, right? It can't move. Alright, you can go. Oh, it was changing. Like, I wonder if I could... Here, let's try this. Alright, so now I've got a snapshot. So here, when it's dark, if I change the snapshot... Are we going to move to a different moon? Dark rainbow. Yeah, now we're in Giant's Deep. What are we seeing there? It's like some kind of frost pattern. Orin to Mahari. Right. We can't go more south here. Oh, yeah. Where's my, the probe was right outside the door. It's like partially quantum. Like we haven't resolved entirely yet or something. Alright, let's go out here. That's a freaky effect. Oh, we're blocked by cliffs. Alright. Oh, we are about to end. Well, we can end the time loop in the orbit of the eye of the universe. Yes. You'll never catch us, supernova. Oh, wait. Well, you still won't catch me, supernova, so there. I'll just appreciate the art. That's the quantum imaging lesson. That is the entanglement lesson. That is... No, wait. That's the quantum imaging, because that's where you have to find the arches and stuff. And that is the entanglement one, where you find out that being quantum on a macroscopic object makes you quantum as well. This one is the rule of the sixth location, where Bell says, hey, climb these stairs to find out how to get to the quantum moon, if you're ready. It's a lot of vertical space in here. Why'd y'all make it so tall? I guess to make it easier to spot in the distance, because you have to wait for it to quantumly appear. Yeah. There we go. All right. It's another successful journey to the quantum moon. All right. Well, I think with that, we've done all the things in the main part of Outer Wilds. There's probably some side lore pieces and stuff I missed, like little edges, but we know the coordinates to the eye. We know how to get the core of the Ash Twin project, the power, the warp core we need. We know how to find the vessel. Actually, I think, as I was thinking about it, like, and I'd have to like do the loop again to find the vessel, or not the loop, the find the escape pod, or something like in Dark Bramble, and then put the scout on it and then go find the vessel. But I think I remember on the computer, if you know about something, you can always put a marker on it. So yeah, now that we have the vessel. Okay. All right. Yes. Lots of stuff. Very cool. Yes. Yeah, I've not really looked at the computer at all in this playthrough. Uh-huh. Yep. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, way over there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that must be the interloper. Well, Lake Bed Cave, sure. Yeah, Shalinum Shuttle. Why does it have a question mark over the Quantum Shrine? I know what that looks like. I don't have like a scanner or anything. What am I supposed to... I've been to the 6th location via the Quantum Shrine. Anyway. So I think I can go here and mark a location on the HUD. And... not find... Oh, wait. I don't have my spacesuit on. How would I see a location on the HUD? There we go. Yeah. So that'll be all we need. We'll just have to go into the computer and mark the vessel's location on the HUD. Go collect the warp core from the Ash Twin project. And then go to the vessel, put in the warp core, put in the coordinates, and find out what happens when a conscious observer enters the eye. But before that, there is a whole other area to go to called the Stranger. And this time it really is called the Stranger. It's not the Interloper. It is a Ringworld ship, and we'll go and relearn its secrets and the story it contributes to this whole masterpiece. It's a fairly long DLC bit, so it's certainly not going to be one session. And there's parts I don't remember, I'm sure. Like, I remember the broad strokes, but the specific mechanics of what you do there and how, I'm going to have to figure that back out again. But I'm looking forward to it. So as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.